कलर नहीं આવતો.
This is the weaver bird making its nest.
કલર કેમ નહીં આવતો?
So the green color, there see that you can see that yellow bird. Yeah, the small weaver bird making it. Yeah, I know that one is flying out. Yeah, look at that. And the dry ones are already made. The weaver birds, they all go inside and now they get this. Look at that, so beautiful. See how much of hard work they do, right? All the green ones that are freshly they are making still. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Now is the mating season will start now. Okay, enjoy.